Zomato. Have you ever doubted कि ये बन नहीं पाएगा?
We didn't even have a vision of क्या बनाना है. We're just doing things because we want to do things.
तो इन्वेस्टर से कैसे बात करते थे?
We never gave predictions to investors. Even today, the organization works in such a way. We don't have quarterly goals, annual goals, nothing. We trust people to do the best job that they can, and they do.
You started Zomato with Pankaj together, and then eventually Pankaj quit. Why did he quit? In April 2025, 500-600 employees आपने fire कर दिए. It's described as an inhuman treatment. Have you ever doubted कि ये बन नहीं पाएगा?
क्या नहीं बन पाएगा?
Zomato.
हमने कभी we didn't even have a vision of क्या बनाना है. हमें तो इस हफ्ते का काम पता होना चाहिए ना क्या करना है.
बट कभी कि पैसे नहीं बन पाएंगे शायद, या ख़त्म हो गई, अब इस हफ्ते में भी नहीं हो पाएगा, हफ्ता ख़त्म. लाइक
कभी किसी ने नहीं सोचा था कितने पैसे कितने बनाने हैं. एलबी भी ऐसा ही है, मैं भी ऐसा ही हूँ. वी नेवर थॉट अबाउट दिस इज द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी वी वांट टू मेक. वी जस्ट डूइंग थिंग्स बिकॉज वी वांट टू डू थिंग्स.
तो इन्वेस्टर से कैसे बात करते थे? इन्वेस्टर्स तो बोलते होंगे ना कि प्रेडिक्शन दो, कुछ बताओ.
वी नेवर गिव प्रेडिक्शंस टू इन्वेस्टर्स.
कोई फाइनेंशियल मॉडल, कुछ नहीं.
नथिंग. वी टोल्ड पीपल दिस इज हाउ इट्स गोइंग अंटिल नाउ. And this is what we have. We don't know the future at all, and that's all. And but even today, the organization works in such a way. We don't have quarterly goals, annual goals, nothing. So we trust people to do the best job that they can, and they do.
I have two questions now. First is, तो जब भी आप इन्वेस्टर से बात करते हो, आपको एक पिक्चर या एक विजन तो पेंट करते होगे ना? What was that vision?
That vision is generally a market size vision कि यार देखो this market is going to be huge. So and we are playing for that. Now whether we get there, we don't get there, it's going to be an outcome of the 10,000 steps that we take over the next few years. So and we could get them wrong.
So you were just like ये market बड़ा है and we have a fair shot at playing.
Fair shot at playing. और execution देख लो, अभी तक का record देख लो, ठीक ठाक है. So there is no reason to believe कि आगे खराब होगी. So that's what you should bet on.
And second is because now you're a publicly traded company, तो अब तो quarterly goals होते होंगे, कुछ तो present करना पड़ता होगा.
Zero.
AGM वगैरह में क्या आप दिखाते हो?
AGM में कोई goals नहीं होते हैं. AGM में भी mindset होता है. अभी तक का ये है.
अच्छा, आज तक का ये है. फ्यूचर की कोई बात नहीं होती.
कोई बात नहीं होती. We don't even talk to our I don't talk to our CEOs about next quarter कितने goals हैं, कितना क्या करना है. तो it's always do better, do more, do better, do more. That's about it.
And ये thinking कहाँ से आई? Because this is a very different sort of thinking, if I must say.
Yeah, I believe that if I give somebody a goal, they're going to fall 20% short of it. Correct? First of all, how do I know that this goal is the right goal? I don't know. Nobody knows.
Yeah.
तो पहले बात तो मुझे ना नेगोशिएट नहीं करना होता लोगों के साथ कि ये गोल राइट गोल है कि नहीं है. तो इट्स लाइक यार, इफ़ यू आर रियली अ गुड पर्सन, लीडर हु केयर्स, यू विल डू योर बेस्ट. करेक्ट? एंड इफ आई गिव यू अ गोल, you will actually calibrate your effort towards that goal, and that may not be the best effort.
True.
So your best effort could be higher or lower than the goal, but all I want is your best effort.
But how do you judge कि ये इंसान best effort मार रहा है? How do you even judge कि ये इस इंसान को मैं लेता हूँ तो वही सबसे बढ़िया होगा मेरी कंपनी के लिए? क्योंकि आपके दिमाग में तो कोई गोल ही नहीं होगा to achieve something.
दिख जाता है when you are tuned in, when you know how people are responding to a customer care complaints, how people are responding to crisis, how people are responding to competition, whatever they're doing, how much they actually innovate, how much risks they take, how many risks they take. You get to get a sense of whether it's a very subjective, soft sense of whether they are doing their best work or not.
So tell me an instant turn off, instant किसी के आप इंटरव्यू ले रहे हो किसी का for some position, या एक CV देख रहे हो and you're like these are like 2-3 red flags. Immediate you know कि इसको तो नहीं करना है.
And when people sell themselves too much, we just completely switch off. because we know that nobody is awesome, amazing, even in our team, even me, like कोई भी perfect नहीं होता है. तो जब लोग ज़्यादा बेचते हैं अपने आप को, that's when we switch off कि this is going to get like messy, political हो जाएगा ये इंसान यहाँ पे.
बहुत तारीफ कर रहा है खुद की.
तो फिर बाकियों की नहीं करेगा ना. तो that basically means that you are saying I did all the work, my team wasn't a part of it, right?
Fair.
So, and nothing happens with one single person. A team pulls off whatever it needs to be pulled off.